How to tell if a third-party booking earns points. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For the Hilton, you will find booking through a third-party websites, and these are the official ones, which is Hotwire, Priceline, Expedia, Hotels.com, or Beats, Travelocity, Travel Web Policy, and Booking.com. Only after you book from these third-party websites you will get points. And you need to confirm, modify, or cancel a reservation made through a third-party website. You will need to contact the third party you booked with directly. And also, at the check-in, you can ask to add points in your Hilton Honors account number as well. And this is how to tell if a third-party booking earns points. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.